welcome to the CS Studio. In this Python tutorial on matplotlib library, our objective is to learn that how to hide axis in a plot. Alright, so here you can see that we have a simple plot of y equal to x cube, and here you have x ticks and y ticks, right? So suppose we need to sometimes that we need to turn off both these ticks, and sometimes you need to turn off only x or y ticks. So let's see how to do this stuff. Okay, so for that I have a simple numpy and a total library. After that I have defined my x data, my y data, and I have simply plotted a plot. First of all, I will try to turn off the x ticks. So for that, type here. So turn off x ticks, right? So for that, type command here plt x ticks, right, and give your function and give a square bracket and run the code. So here you can see that your x ticks has been disappeared, right? In a similar fashion, you can also turn off y ticks, right? So I will comment it and then type here command plt.y ticks function and a square bracket. Now run the code. So this time you can see that you have x ticks is as it is and your y tick has been disappeared, right? Now suppose you want to hide both ticks together. Okay, so for that type command here plt.axis and give as a off, right? Now so here you can see that your neither x or nor your y axis tick has been visible. Okay, so this way you can turn off your axis. Okay, so this will turn off both ticks, right? So here you can see that for turning off x ticks we have this command plt.x ticks function a square bracket. For y ticks the same, and for turning off both ticks we have plt.axis and we have a string of in the function. So this way you can turn off your x and y ticks in matplotlib plotting. So thank you.